Hi everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question path sum. So you are given a root of binary tree and the integer target sum. Return true if the tree has a root to leaf path such that adding up all the values along the path equals target sum. So a leaf is a node with no children. So let's see the example. So you are given this binary search tree and the target sum is 22. So we can find the path that is total 22 is like this. So that's why in this case return true. So if target sum is, so let's say 18, in that case we can find this path. So that is also true. And the target sum is, let's say 3. In that case we don't find the path that is total 3. So in that case return false. Yeah, this is a very simple question. So let me explain how to solve this question. Okay, so to solve this question, we traverse the tree with a depth first search. In that case, we go down the one direction until we find a leaf node, like go left, go left, go left. And then when I reach 7, there's no path. In that case, we go back to previous node, 11, and then go down the different direction, which is right. So definition of leaf node is current node doesn't have a left node and doesn't have a right node. So in that case, if we find a leaf node, we compare the current sum with target sum. If they are same, return true. If they are not same, continue to traverse the tree. So that is a basic idea to solve this question. And the time complexity is order of n, because in the worst case, we have to traverse all nodes in the tree. So that is a order of n. And the space complexity is also order of n, because we call the same function recursively. So one stack is created. So that's why space complexity is order of n. So with that being said, let's jump into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, if not current node, in the case return false. And the another base case is that check current node is leaf node or not. So if not, root.left and not root right. In that case, current node is leaf node, so return target sum minus current value equal 0. In that case, return true. If not the case, return false. So after that, subtract current value from target sum. So target sum minus equal current value. And then return and call the function recursively for left node or right node. So self dot has path sum and passing a root dot left and the target sum, or self has path sum root dot right and the target sum. Yeah, that's it. So let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. So this solution works. So let me summarize the step-by-step algorithm. This is a step-by-step algorithm of path sum. Step 1, if current node is null, return false. Step 2, if current node doesn't have left child and right child, then subtract current value from target sum. If the answer is 0, return true. If not, return false. Step 3, subtract current value from target sum. Step 4, call the same function recursively for left child or right child. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video helps you understand this question well. If you like it, please subscribe the channel or hit the like button or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.